In this video, we'll be learning how to log in to Luno Bitcoin crypto wallet. So without further delay, let's get on with the video. Open up a preferred web browser and go to the URL box and type in luno.com and search. Soon after you do that, you'll end up on the official site of Luno. If you don't have an account yet, simply tap on the sign up button at the top right hand corner. Now, to create an account, enter a valid email address and create a password, and then complete the CAPTCHA and tap on Let's Go. You can also sign up for an account by using your social account appearing at the bottom. If you already have an account and you'd like to sign in, simply tap on the sign in link at the top. Now, in the sign in page, type in the email address that is associated with your Luno account and tap the next button. Enter the password that you created while signing up for Luno on the next page. Finally, after you are done, tap the next button. If you are having any trouble remembering your password, tap on the Forgot Password link to get help. On the next page, you'll need to verify your email address. Enter the 4 digits code that is sent via your email. Open up the inbox and open up the email received from Luno. Simply find the confirmation code and copy it. Get back to the Luno website and paste in the confirmation code in the text box. Wait for a few seconds and then allow the website to access to your precise location by tapping allow in the pop-up. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to log in to your Luno account. That is how it can be done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you next time with another tutorial video. Thanks for watching.